As per the media reports, around 76 Indian soldiers were reportedly injured while 20 lost their lives in a standoff and a clash between India and China at Galwan Valley on 15th of June. Media reports suggest that India and China both came in agreement on 6th of June to back off or to pull back the troops from the disputed area. While India pulled back, but China did not back off. When India again went on to patrol the area, the China was already over there, and that led to eruption of standoff and clash between India and China. On 17th of June, Ministry of External Affairs of India said that China sought to erect a structure on the outer side of LAC. MEA also said that this was premeditated and pre-planned action by China to alter facts on ground in violation of agreements. While saying this, Ministry of External Affairs official spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said this.
On the late evening and night of 15th June 2020, a violent face-off happened when the Chinese side unilaterally attempted to change the status quo there. They took premeditated and planned action that was directly responsible for the resulting violence and casualties suffered by both sides.
While delivering a speech in all-party meet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said and denied that incursions happened from Chinese side in India, and this is what he said.
न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है.
This statement by the Prime Minister created a huge ruckus, and the political controversy broke out after this statement, with various experts like Brahmachalani criticized and said that Prime Minister's statement justifies Chinese standpoint and point of view. Rahul Gandhi said that the government is lying to protect the image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also said that Prime Minister has surrendered Indian territory to Chinese aggression. As per media reports, Foreign Ministry spokesperson of China, Mr. Zhao Lijian, said that right or wrong, it is clear that the killings of these soldiers happened on Chinese side of the border and not Indian side, which means he blamed India for this episode and not the Chinese troops and soldiers. On 20th of June, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mr. Zhao Lijian tweeted that on 15th of June, Indian side crossed LAC into Chinese territory in violation of the agreements when the situation was already easing down. The Prime Minister's statement, Chinese journalist Shen Shou also tweeted with his video of the statement in which he was denying incursions, saying that no outsiders entered or infiltrated into the Indian territory, which means he clearly brushed aside Chinese incursion and took full advantage of Prime Minister Modi's statement. All these tweets and comments were said to be favoring the Chinese side as per experts in India, after which PMO clarified, saying that this is not what Prime Minister meant. Prime Minister observed that there was no Chinese presence on our side of the LAC pertained to the situation as a consequence of bravery of our armed forces. On 24th June, Ajay Shukla tweeted an image from private company Maxar in which he said that Chinese incursions had taken place and there were Chinese camps on Indian territories. Many experts in India have questioned and said and criticized Prime Minister Modi for justifying Chinese account and point of view. They said that Prime Minister Modi's statement played into the hands of Chinese government. Now the question is, did Prime Minister Modi's denial of incursions play into Chinese hand, or was he misunderstood by experts and others? Because he also issued, Prime Minister Modi's office also issued a clarification on the whole issue.